Hey.
Our favorite girl.
Hey,
Oh, my favorite girl. I love reacting to Doja Cat and Ice Spice. Here's Ice Spice. Still waiting for you to call me.
With what? Hopes and dreams. Anyway, Doja Cat, Agora Hills. Yeah, let's see if it's more demon talk.
Nope. She's seen Jesus.
I've seen miracles, and that's not how they go.
I stand to be corrected. Let's pause. Okay, what have you seen? Nice legs. I don't even have to see the thighs, but nice legs.
I know she has ugly toes.
For fuck's sake.
She has ugly
Jesus
toes.
Christ, my guy.
I will tell you that.
Oh shit, I like this. Cool visual.
Kissing and hope to cut us, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up.
Please don't tell me they crashed the
I wanna
G-Wagon.
show you up.
They crashed the G-Wagon for this.
Show you up. I wanna brag about it. I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you. Yeah. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you. Yeah. I wanna show you up.
Cool visuals, Doja. Cool visuals.
I wanna show you up. I wanna show you hold my hand. You can get what it was, boy. So 9:30.
Look at the toenails.
What did I fucking say? What did I say? What did I say?
Wait, what did you say, man?
I told you.
What did you say?
I told
She
you.
has ugly feet. She doesn't have ugly feet.
She
That's
has ugly toes. I know this for a fact. She doesn't need to show them. She has ugly toes.
No, you hang up.
oh my god, sitting like this, talking to me with her toenails out like that. So cute.
Something different about you. Love it when he hit and it smacked you. Baby, let me lick on your tattoos. That's true that I like PDA. Take it to a C place. Suck a little dick in the bathroom. Who that man with the big strong hands on her ass in the club with the
She just said she'll suck a little dick in the bathroom because, baby girl, I have a
Sorry,
little dick for
I don't
you.
qualify.
I have a little dick for you. Just for you.
Put it in her ear.
to C place. Suck a little dick in the bathroom. Who that man with the big strong hands on her ass in the club with the pass? Baby, that's you. Front seat chilling with the window down. And be 10 toes down on the dash getting fast food. Hope you can handle the heat. Put your name in the streets. Get used to my fans looking at you. Fuck what they heard. Don't fuck with them birds. I'm a mean kitty. Don't get stabbed with the rat. Whether they like it or not, I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it.
God, I can't wait to hear this album in its entirety. I wonder when she's dropping.
It dropped, I guess.
When did it drop?
Today, I think.
Today?
Yeah, this video dropped with a bunch of songs. That's
Oh,
why I
shit.
thought you were talking about audios.
Oh shit, okay.
I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you. Yeah. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you.
What, you sick perv? What?
Hmm?
You've got an R. Kelly smile. What's going on?
Up. I wanna show you. Yeah. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you hold my hand. You can get what it was, boy.
I like this style.
What, wearing a cost?
Yes. Even though nothing is wrong with you. It's style and a heel on the other foot.
It's dumb.
Just so we can balance things out.
It's all fun and games until it's time to run.
Okay. Fair enough.
Sorry. Cause love is pain, but I need this shit. We fuck too good when the bean kicks in. Like Fortnite, I'ma need your skin. Don't give a fuck with the penis spin. Boy, you're the one, you're the only.
What did you say? I don't give a fuck where the penis been.
Fortnite, I'ma need your skin. Don't give a fuck with the penis spin. Boy, you're the one, you're the only man. Me and you, I'm a.
I like this girl.
May
Why do you make
may the floods be upon us. Noah, it's your time to shine.
But I need this shit. We fuck too good when the bean kicks in. Like Fortnite, I'ma need your how you're the holy trend. Hold me down when I hold me dick. Be my security, it's your therapy. With you, I ain't holding shit back.
Yeah.
When I need my space, you give that. When he broke my heart, you fixed that. With a long walk on the beach. Living when they Hong Kong on the street.
I need to see what's that? What's written there?
Broke my heart, you fixed
Might be important.
that. With a long walk on the beach.
Nudity is God something. Just do
With my
it.
space, you give that. When he broke my heart, you fixed that. With a long walk on the beach.
Nudity is God's creation.
Yes, yeah, for you and your people that you're supposed to be with. Oh my God, I saw way more than what I'm supposed to see.
I'm trying to see more than I'm
Living when they
saying.
Hong Kong on the street. When they
Like you, I'm still trying to see more than I'm saying.
see us soon by energy. We a whole damn joint, we a energy. Baby, we could just ride on our enemies. They all wanna know how you get to me. Kissing and hope it cut us. Whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it. I wanna tell.
I'm feeling this girl is trying to hurt her father's feelings.
Yeah, why do you think she got the blonde hair and shit?
Yeah, I'm trying.
It's on some Chester 2002 shit.
Yeah, now I'm seeing that. Yeah, she's trying to hurt her dad's feelings. Shame on him for leaving you guys.
Oh, damage has been done. But you going back.
Crocodile, you.
It's like, mabuyeli, ugayi. Asale lento zakhe.
I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you. Yeah, yeah. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you. Yeah, yeah. I wanna show you.
Queen of blowjob.
Come dumpster. Try that for the next video on the shirt.
I love Doja. A classic.
Nah, no, it's not. It's not a classic at all. Doja makes good music.
Yeah, she's
But the
she's
problem
the greatest
is-
Illuminati artist ever.
The visuals just don't connect.
No, she has awesome visuals. She always
Yeah,
has
but they
awesome-
don't get any point across. It's like she's trying hard to be edgy. I've said this before.
No, she's not trying hard enough.
Nah. Busy showing us
Prove me wrong, Doja.
your should be camel toes, looking like
Really?
a fucking camel's back.
Release a sex tape. Prove me wrong.
It won't help any situation. It's like
I know a situation it would help.
nah. Visuals, she sucks. She sucks. The visuals do not get any point
Cap.
across.
Cap, she has amazing videos.
No, I'm not saying the
Cap.
quality. I'm saying her videos don't convey much message because it's a bunch of nudity, bunch of
Cap.
we're gonna put a what eye,
Cap.
you and your ugly camel toes. But
Cap.
anyway,
But yeah, please like, subscribe, and suggest videos in the comment section, and we'll see you next time. Oh.